Best online broker Canada. Questrade. Online broker girls? In today's video, I'll be doing the pros and cons of Questrade. If you want to start DIY investing, make sure you watch the video to the end to find out if this online broker is for you. What is Questrade? They are a full-service Canadian online broker. They offer a full range of investments including Canadian US stocks, ETFs, options, IPOs, mutual funds, bonds, GICs, international equities, precious metals, and even offer actively managed portfolios. Questrade offers 3 different platforms for trading. IQ Web on browser with real-time snap quotes, IQ Edge with live streaming market data, and the Questrade mobile app with real-time snap quotes. Questrade offers many different account types. This includes TFSAs, RRSPs, margin, RESPs, Liras, RIFs, entity accounts, and more. Before we get into the pros, would you rather DIY invest or use a robo-advisor? Let me know in the comment section below. Pro number 1, low trade commission fees for buying and selling stocks. Questrade charges $4.95 minimum at 1 cent per share, up to $9.95 maximum. For example, so if you buy 1 share of a stock, it will cost you $4.95 in commission fees. But if you bought 600 shares, it would cost you $6 in commission fees. Most online brokers charge a flat rate of $9.95. So with Questrade, you pay a lot less in commission fees depending on the kind of trading you do. There is a few online brokers that charge less than Questrade. Interactive Brokers, Virtual Brokers, and Wealthsimple Trade. But you need to consider that Interactive Brokers are more for professionals and have a monthly fee that's hard to avoid. And Wealthsimple Trade isn't a full service online broker. And more on Virtual Brokers in another video. The second pro, ETFs are commission fee when buying. Questrade only charges commission fees when selling ETFs at the usual stock commission fee. This is perfect for anyone who wants to buy ETFs and do dollar cost averaging. Instead of making one lump sum trade, you could divide it up to smaller multiple trades to reduce the average price per share. Or if you want to slowly build up your portfolio, you could buy a few ETFs each week and wouldn't have to worry about commissions eating up your gains. Other brokers that offer free ETFs when trading are National Bank with a minimum of 100 shares, Virtual Brokers, and Wealthsimple Trade. Pro number 3, the sign-up bonus and the Refer a Friend program. Sign up now for a self-directed account using my referral code, and you can earn a $25 cash bonus when you deposit at least $1,000. The cash bonus increases the more you deposit. Or if you want to open a Quest Wealth account, you can get your first month free with a deposit of $1,000. Once you open an account, you can get your own referral code and refer your friends and family. You get $25 for each referral and a $50 bonus for every 3rd referral. So you can get $125 for just 3 referrals. And this bonus is directly deposited into your Questrade account. For more on the sign-up bonus and the Refer a Friend program, check out the video description below. Pro number 4, data streaming packages are rebatable. Questrade offers 3 different live streaming data packages: Enchanted, Advanced US, and Advanced Canadian. The Enchanted package offers level 1 streaming data from American and Canadian exchanges for $19.95 per month. But if you reach a total commissions of $48.55 or higher, you will receive a full rebate each month. The Advanced American and Canadian packages offer level 2 streaming data from American and Canadian exchanges for $89.95 per month. But if you reach a total commissions of $399.95 per month, you will receive a full rebate each month. If you can't reach the total commissions of $399.95 per month, you could get a partial rebate of $19.95 if you reach the $48.95 in commissions. And now the 5th pro, commission-free bonds, GICs, and IPOs. The only con with this is you need a $5,000 minimum purchase. You need to consider when buying fixed incomes, they have a much lower return rate. So saving on commission fees are crucial. Don't underestimate the power of bonds and GICs. They play an important part of your portfolio in a bear market and especially close to retirement. Before we get into the cons, if you like this video so far, can I get you to hit the like button and share this with a friend? Con number 1, the ECN fees. ECN stands for Electronic Communications Networks. You get charges fee when you're removing liquidity from the market. Orders that will be executed right away are considered removing liquidity. You could avoid this fee by using a limit order that adds liquidity. Also, you may get charged an ECN fee when you trade in odd lots. To avoid this, trade in board lots. Let's do an example. Let's say you want to buy 1,500 shares of a company at $1.50 per share in the Toronto Stock Exchange. Your commission fee with Questrade would be $9.95. Plus, if you trigger an ECN fee, you will get charged an additional $5.25. So in total, you pay $15.20 for the ECN fee and the commission fees. Depending on the kind of trading you do, you might be better off with an online broker that offers a flat commission rate, like TD Direct Investing. Click this video up here if you want to learn more about TD Direct Investing. But also consider, if you're only buying a small quantity of shares, these ECN fees are relatively low and you might be better off just paying them so you don't lose out on opportunity. Con number 2, inactive fees. Questrade doesn't have an annual fee or maintenance fees, but they do have an inactive fee that's essentially the same thing. The inactive fee is $24.95 per quarter. There is 5 different ways to avoid this fee. You can place one trade in a quarter. This includes buying commission-free ETFs or maintain a total equity of $5,000 or more. This includes self-directed accounts and Quest Wealth accounts. Or subscribe to a market data package, or deposit at least $150 per quarter, or if you are the age of 25 years old or younger. On top of this, if you don't meet any of these requirements and you get charged an inactive fee, any commissions you pay in the next quarter will rebate the inactive fee up to the full amount. The third con, you need a minimum balance of $1,000 to begin trading. Questrade has no minimum to open an account, but you need a minimum of $1,000 in your account to start investing. But it is a bit pointless to open an account if you can't trade. So you definitely want $1,000 when opening an account. Although this isn't very high, the majority of online brokers don't have a minimum requirement to open up an account. If you're just getting started and you have less than $1,000 to invest, you might be better off with a robo-advisor till you have a more significant amount to invest with. And the last con, mutual funds cost $9.95 per trade. The majority of online brokers don't charge a commission fee when buying, selling, or switching mutual funds. Mutual funds already have high MER fees. Why would you pay $10 per trade when other full-service brokers trade them for free? In conclusion, Questrade can have the title for best overall online broker. In my opinion, it's because they are the jack of all trades and master of none. They offer all the accounts and investment products a trader would need. Their commission fees are among the lowest in the industry, and the commission-free ETFs when buying are an added bonus. They offer 3 different trading platforms with fairly priced data packages that are suitable for the casual to active trader. Their platform and app are constantly updating and improving, and although Questrade's customer service has been bad in the past, they have come a long way. All of this is the reason why Questrade is Canada's fastest growing online broker. But if you are not ready to DIY invest, maybe you're better off with a robo-advisor like Milo, which is what my next video is on. So if you don't want to miss that video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss when new videos come out. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep making money moves. Peace!